How to fix Snapchat showing random people's stories. Are you tired of seeing random people's story on Snapchat? This can happen due to settings changes or glitches, showing you content that you don't follow or care about. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat showing random people's stories step by step. Let's dive in. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Sometimes random stories appear because you are following people you don't remember adding. Go to your profile and tap My Friends to view your following list. Unfollow any unfamiliar accounts. After you do that, head towards the Stories section. Now click on three dots given at the top right corner. Click on the option of Hide Friend Story Suggestions. This will also avoid stories from unknown people. Now head over to your profile page. For that, click on profile icon given at the top left corner. Click on settings icon. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of My Story. Check in for the option of My Friends. Then head back. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of See Me in Quick Add. Toggle off for this option. Then clear cache for the Snapchat app. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Clear Data. Click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear. With that, Snapchat will restart. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is contact Snapchat support team. Click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left corner. Then click on Settings icon. Once you're in the settings page, scroll all the way down and click on the option of Help Center. Now from here you can contact to Snapchat support team. With that, your problem will be resolved. And that's how you fix Snapchat showing random people's stories. By adjusting your settings and clearing out unwanted subscription, you can keep your feed clean and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.